In Dauphin County, the way officials are dealing with people with severe mental illness has been nationally recognized. Through a program implemented over the last few years, they've been able to significantly cut down on the amount of people being held in the county prison. Fox 43's Chelsea Kerpler shows us how the initiative is working.
Mental illness is not a crime.
With the goal to reduce the number of people with mental illness spending time in prison. In 2016, Dauphin County planned to launch an initiative called Stepping Up.
The idea that somebody who is struggling from a mental illness serving time in county prison does not make them better.
In the county, District Attorney Fran Chardo said he was surprised to find people with mental illness were spending significantly more time in prison than people who did not have a mental illness.
Not everybody belongs in jail or in prison, and certainly people with serious mental illness that haven't committed really serious offenses, we have to find ways of addressing them outside the context of the prison.
The program works by training officers on crisis intervention and teaming them up with mental health crisis workers to respond to calls together.
We realize once we get to those scenes, we have time. We have time to talk to them. We have time to try and de-escalate.
Harrisburg Police Deputy Chief Dennis Sorensen tells me 49 Harrisburg police officers have completed a 40-hour crisis intervention training. He says the initiative gives officers another tool in their toolbox when responding to a call.
We realize that, we have to take a different approach here because we're just trying to get people safe. We're just trying to get them into the treatment that they need.
The initiative appears to be working in Dauphin County. In March, of the 150 people referred for mental illness resources, 10 were charged. All of these are handled on a case-by-case basis.
So obviously you're going to deal with somebody with a more serious conduct that would support a more serious offense differently than you would a less serious offense. So there's no one answer. These are individuals, and we're going to deal with them individually.
And for those who do end up serving time for more serious crimes but have a mental health illness, Ashley Yinger, the county's coordinator for the initiative, says everyone will get the help they need.
We still take into consideration their treatment need based on whenever they are getting released from the prison to make sure that they try to hopefully successfully come back into the community as much as we can to have them with the services that they need.
More information on the Stepping Up initiative is on our website, fox43.com. In Dauphin County, Chelsea Kerpler, Fox 43 News.